Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You're watching That Car Guy. My name is Siddharth S Nair, and I did it the wrong way around, but it's not going to matter because today's content is going to be really fantastic. We're going to show you a very special car. Well, as you guys know, if you're following me on Instagram, I picked up a 2006 Toyota Innova around a month ago, and it's been kind of like a project. The car was perfect actually. All I had to do was just drive, and for once it was pretty much a very well looked after car. So what I did, well, I couldn't leave it alone, so I did a full color change, new wheels. It was not totally, but it was slightly over the top modified to my liking. It has gone through a new custom color. I'm going to reveal that really soon. The car is going to be out this week, and I got, like I said, wheels like a very nice set, period correct wheels for a Japanese brand car, so that suited the car really well. And we got some custom bits on the inside, paintwork, mostly paintwork. And I got, well, this is going to be an experiment for me. I got a Android head unit for the car. Well, the car came with a cassette player, so I had to do something, but I was on the down low. I was looking up very cheap, so I typed into Amazon the cheapest Android head unit you can get for a Innova. Not actually specific for it, it's a universal set, but on the box it says a lot, like it has Android and Apple Play, Android Connect. It has a lot of promises, but I'm really skeptical on this product because I paid around 7.5 thousand, and it looks nice. I opened the box and all, it looks in order, but who knows, guys, who knows. It's going to be really fun. I'm going to do that. I'm going to share that video with you. But what's coming up really right now is the color review. So keep your eyeballs on this page. It's going to happen pretty soon. We'll catch you in another video. Till then, goodbye, guys, and God bless.